Hello everyone. Today we are going to explain about HTML basics. In this chapter we will show some basic HTML examples. All HTML documents must start with a document type declaration that is shown here, factorial, doc type and HTML. Smaller than and greater than. So this doc type declaration represents the document type and helps browser, Internet Explorer or Google Chrome to display web pages correctly. This must only appear once at the top of the page before any HTML tag, as we have written it at the top of this program. It must only appear one time and it will not appear second time. This is not case sensitive, so you can write either in small letters or caps letters. So doc type HTML, this declaration is for HTML5. All the HTML programs start with the tag HTML. An HTML tag is a piece of markup language used to indicate the beginning and end of an HTML element in an HTML document. As you can see, we have written this HTML tag here. This is the opening tag and this is the closing paired tag of this HTML code. HTML tags help web browsers convert HTML document into web pages. The visible part of the HTML document is between body and body paired tag. H1 tag, so whatever we will put inside body and body tag, it will be visually represented on HTML document. Thank you very much.